Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on this really awesome pocket-size digital camera. This does shoot in 4K Ultra HD, so you can take videos and pictures on this and they look spectacular. So this is a really great pocket size. You can see how compact it is. It does come with a little strap so you can easily carry that around your wrist. You get a little storage bag, and then it comes with 2 batteries, and these have great battery life, as well as a 32 gigabyte SD card, so you've got plenty of space to get started taking pictures and videos. Plus, this just uses a simple USB-C to charge. They do provide you with a wall outlet piece as well, so really you get everything you need to get started, and you can have a blast taking pictures and videos of yourself, of your friends and family, or just of the places around you. The pocket size is going to be great for travel and pretty much any adventure that life has for you. So I really love the size of it. And it even has a 16 times powerful zoom. So if you do need to take some faraway shots, you can still accomplish that with this. And it does have a nice large 2.8-inch viewing screen. So there's plenty of space here for you to easily see your photos and videos. But most importantly, the video and photo quality is absolutely astounding. I was really impressed by this. I took multiple pictures and videos of my son and my family playing at the park and just around my home, and everything turned out so well. This is going to be a great little camera to have on hand, and it would make for a wonderful gift. So if you guys were looking for a wonderful digital camera, I would definitely give this one a try.